log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Log a into b. Again use change of base rule. 2 you transfer that side. I am left out with log x by log 2. Change of base rule. Can I write it as log base x 36 is equal to 2. Log a power m. What is log a power m? M log a. 2 comes out. 2 log 2. Log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Welcome to the session, DS students. Today we'll go ahead with problems of logarithm. So 3 markers. Solve log base 2x plus log base 4x equal to 3. They want you to solve. Solve means what? Find the value of x. Now we need to find the value of x. They gave log base 2x plus log base 4x is equal to 3. Now log a plus log b, but bases are different. So solve means we need to find x. So change of base rule you can use. Can I write it as log x by log 2 plus again log x by log 4 is equal to 3. Now in these two, log x is common, you can take it out. Log x, if I take out common, I am left out with 1 by log 2 plus 1 by log 4. So log x you can take out, so it will become 1 by log 4 is equal to 3. Simplify this further. Log x into, if I take LCM, it will become, numerator becomes log 4 plus log 2 divided by log 4 into log 2 is equal to 3. Log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Log a into b. Log x into log 4 to the 8 divided by log 4 into log 2. Log a into b is log a plus log b. Log a plus log b can be written like this. Now I'll write log x as it is. Can I write log a as log 2 cube divided by, I have log 4. Log 4 I'll write it as log 2 square into log 2 is equal to what? 3. So that I can simplify the terms. So we have log x into log 2 cube, log x into log 2 cube. I can write log 2 cube as 2 log 3 divided by log x into 3 log 2 divided by, so we have log 2 square. Log 2 square I can write 2 log 2 and log 2 let it be as it is equal to 3. I can cancel log 2 and log 2. So we are left out with log x by 2 log 2 is equal to 3. Again use change of base rule. 2 you transfer that side. I am left out with log x by log 2 is equal to 3 into 2. So if you observe, whatever they gave, I am writing as it is. And now change of base rule. Log x by log 2 can be written as log base 2x is equal to 6. Now further we can write this as 2 power RHS. 6 is x. So therefore your x is 2 power x, 2 power 6. You know what is 2 power 6? 2 power 6 is 32. Means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Into 2, sorry, 32 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So into 2, sorry. So x value is 64. 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6, that's it. So just let me summarize. First I saw log base 2x, log base 4x, bases are not same. So I use change of base rule. I write log x by log 2 plus log x by log 4. Then I took log x common. So I have fractions 1 by log 2, 1 by log 4. So this I can write two ways of writing this. I can write using change of base rule or take LCM. If I take LCM, log 4 plus log 2 divided by log 4 into log 2. Log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Log a into b. So it becomes log 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. See here log 4 plus log 2. I am writing it as log 4 into 2. Log a plus log b is log a into b, that is log 8. So this is how we are converting. Now 2 cube, 3 log 2 I can write, 4 2 square, 2 log 2 I can write log 2 and simplify, you will get the answer. Next we have problem 6. So write this as log base x9 plus log base x4 is equal to 2. This is the problem. Now change of base rule. Log 9 by log x plus log 4 by log x is equal to what? 2. Further you can take 1 by log x common. If you take 1 by log x common, we are left out with log 9 plus log 4 is equal to what? 2. Now this is in the form log a plus log b. You know log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. This 1 by log x, let it be. Log a plus log b is log a into b. Log 4 in 9 into 4 is equal to what? 2. So that is 1 by log x into log 36 is equal to what? 2. You know we can write log 36 divided by log x is equal to 2. Change of base rule. Can I write it as log base x 36 is equal to 2. Further, log base x 36 equal to 2 we got after solving. So log base x 36 is equal to 2, or I can write x power 2 is equal to 36. So x is what? Root 36 plus or minus. So x is equal to plus or minus 6. And inside log always we should take positive, so x value will take positive. So x value is always what? Positive. Then x is log base 2 9, y is log base 9 7, z is log base 7 4. Show that x into y into z is 2. I told you if you make the bases same, you can get the answer. So now x value, x, so take LHS. I'll take x into y into z. What is x? Log base 2 9 into what is y? Log base 9 7. What is z? Log base 7 4. Now change of base rule. Can I write it as log 9 by log 2? And further log, can I write it as log 7 by log 9? Further I can write it as log 4 by log 7. Now simplify this. Simplify this. You can cancel log 9 log 9. You can cancel log 4 log 7 log 7, and we are left out with log 4 divided by log 2. So log 4 by log 2. Log 4 I can write it as log 2 square. Log 4 I can write it as what? Log 2 square divided by log 2. So you know log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2 divided by log 2. So log 2 cancels, we'll get 2. That is the RHS. So they want you to prove, we proved this. X into y into z is equal to what we got? 2. So I took LHS. What is LHS? X, y, z. In the place of x, whatever they gave, I substituted. In the place of y, whatever they gave, I substituted. In z also, I substituted. I have used change of base rule. Log 9 base 2 can be written as log 9 by log 2. Log 7 base 9 can be written as log 7 by log 9. Log base 7 4 can be written as log 4 by log 7. Then cancel the like terms and we are left out with log 4 by log 2. You know 4 can be written as 2 square. Log a power m. What is log a power m? M log a. 2 comes out. 2 log 2. Log 2 cancels. We'll get 2. Prove that log x plus log x square plus log x cube plus log x power n is half into n plus 1 by 2 log x. So now I'll take LHS. Log x plus log x square plus log x cube plus so on log x power n. You know log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Log a plus log b is log a into b. So it will become log x into x square into x cube into x power 4 into so on x power n. Now R first, before we go to this, we can also use some more technique. That is, everywhere we can simplify and take log x. So instead of writing x square, so the simple technique is, can I write it as log x? What is log a power m? Log a power m is m log a. What is log x square? 2 log x. What is log x cube? 3 log x. So on n log x. In every term we have log x common, take it out. I'll take log x out. What is left out? I am left out with 1. This will become 2. This will become 3. So on till n. So now use the summation. So now we are left out with log x into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till n. So this I can write it as log x into sigma n. Sigma n. What is sigma n? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is, we have summation direct formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Or I can say, I will write 1 by 2 into n plus 1 into, then I will write log x. This is RHS. Hence the proof. So next we have similar problems wherein we need to use logarithmic formats and derive. Here in this session I have done log a per m. What is log a per m? M log a. And log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. So here we use m log a and we use summation to arrive at the results. So by this I conclude the topic logarithm, and we will go ahead with logarithm other approaches, finding log, finding anti-log, and also some more proofs of 5 markers. Thanks for attending the session. I will see you in my next session. Thank you.